10, starting tomorrow, many of you in the Tulsa Metro will be able to receive medical care right in your own home. It's a new plan from St. Francis. 2 News Oklahoma reporter Caitlin Rivas joins us now with more about the medical service and how it's going to help people across our area. Caitlin?
Karen, Dispatch Health is a full-service urgent care on wheels, and St. Francis staff tell me partnership means more care for more people and less of a burden on emergency departments and ICUs. Throughout the pandemic, emergency rooms and ICUs were filled to the brim with sick patients. And now, as we enter flu and RSV season, they're quickly filling back up. So, to help with the overflow and reach more people needing medical care, St. Francis is partnering with Dispatch Health, a same-day in-home urgent care.
There's always going to be a time where the patient requires care in the emergency department and in the ICU. But what we have found, and I think that medical providers can relate to this all across the community, is that oftentimes we have patients that can only access care through the emergency department. And so 70% of what the emergency department can do, we are able to do in the comfort of the patient's home.
To do that, Dispatch Health has 2 teams of rovers.
Those teams come with multiple Pelican cases in the back, all addressed by system to address acute care needs for those patients that need care.
The rover will have an emergency trained nurse practitioner or physician's assistant and a medic. The rover is able to perform EKGs and mobile imaging. St. Francis President and CEO Dr. Cliff Robinson says offering another way to receive care will allow for more people to be reached.
We've all gotten comfortable with the concept that maybe there's care that can be delivered effectively and safely outside of an emergency department or a hospital or even a clinic. And we think the time is right, that the general public really recognizes that, hey, if care can be brought to me at home, that's wonderful.
The rover covers much of the Tulsa Metro, going from Sapulpa, Sand Springs, and Kellyville down to Muskogee and Wagner. Now, starting tomorrow, there will be 2 rover teams, and they hope to eventually grow the fleet to cover more of Green Country. To request care, you can call the number at the bottom of your screen. That's 918-383-9481. You can also find more information about Dispatch Health on our website at kjrh.com. In studio, Caitlin Rivas, 2 News, Oklahoma.